Ano po yun?
Intimate scenes na parang yung medyo sweet, tapos love-making din.
Kissing scene lang po.
Hindi ba kayo na-awkward sa isa't isa? Kasi syempre, although...
Syempre na-awkward talaga naman. Na-awkward po kasi syempre madaming tao sa paligid. Tapos i-acting yun yung natural lang. Eh parang inisip ko, hindi ba kami parang medyo obvious dito? Hindi ba talaga parang natural ba kami? Kasi syempre kinakabahan kasi kami yung gawin yun eh. Kasi iba kasi yung gagawin nyo sa private, iba yung gagawin nyo sa talagang acting. Talagang iba siya talaga. Kaya parang lahat po sa akin, kaba, lahat question. Okay ba kami? Mag-itsura namin. Pero yun po.
Pero paano kayo nagka-alalayan sa isa't isa? Paano nyo inalalayan ng isa't isa?
Siguro inisip na lang namin na walang tao sa paligid. Ginagawa lang namin ito is natural, is totoo. Talagang, wala na muna kami pakialam sa mga paligid dyan. Bahala kayo dyan. Ganun.
Ayun. About dito, paano mo siya as the guy? Paano mo inalalayan si Mimo with your kissing scene?
Ano yung inalalayan?
English yan.
Ay, oo nga. Hindi ko sa iba yung English inalalayan.
Well, because we are a real couple, and I guess if you're just acting, put yourself in character and you do it for the scene, whereas with us, it would be sharing something that's more personal and private that we're sharing to the people, you know, the camera, the 20 people right next to you watching you. You just have to go for it, you know, and breathe, let your guard down, and you know, be in the scene. Act as if no one's there, you know. It's like when you're on stage and you have a stage fright. What you do is you picture everyone in their underwear, and it should help you get over it, right? That's the same thing. You just have to don't think about it, go for it, and enjoy it.
But so far, how